Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. Link is going to be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. About to find out what it is. And take advantage of the fast free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Uh-oh. Ooh. Alright, here we go. We got, looks like a USB quick charge. And here we go, guys. HP 100. Oh, these are nice wireless fast charge. One of those like pads, like the right here. And this would be a nice Father's Day gift for any father out there to have. Easy to travel. Keep it at your desk at work. Oh, this is nice. Not sure who this is coming from. Maybe it's them. But it'll be in the description down below. So all you gotta do is click the link, check it out, and see what other goodies they have to offer. I'm gonna do a test run on it. So we got that, and this little guy. Oh, this is nice. Look at that bling. It is super lightweight, and it's nice. So NFC's in here. Just put your phone on here, and pick it up and charge. About to turn it on. Be right back. Oh, I do believe it's Zttopo on Amazon. So if you guys want to search, you could just look it up by that. Or for now, if you guys are ready to purchase, all you gotta do is click the link. So here it is. There's a cable. All I gotta do is plug it in. I'm gonna go in my room because I got my other phone in there, and we're gonna hook it up, see how it works. Come on. Get in your groove, baby. Why are not you going in your hole? Huh? Alrighty. Hold on. There we go. You got it nice and easy in there. And then you take this part and you just plug it in to this. Like so. Boom. Boom. So thank you guys over at Zttopo. You guys can check them out. We're about to do the test. Alrighty, here it is. Red light is on. It is plugged in there. And got my Galaxy 8 Plus. Gotta just throw it on. Should pick up. Oh. Yeah, but that phone's completely dead, so we'll give it a second. It should at least get to 1%. Because it is blue light underneath it. So hopefully this works. Oh, there it goes. See? It is charging. Alright. Bring it back from the dead. Boom. Now, definitely cool. There you go. So that was pretty quick for the 1%. There we go. So really easy to use. Pretty spacious item you can have at your desk, in your office, or pretty much anywhere. Right by your entertainment center, by the kitchen. Which I'm probably gonna have this one by the kitchen. All you gotta do is click the link, order it for Father's Day or birthdays or something, even for yourself. So pretty sweet. And then boom, see it's flashing red, and then I think you should pick it up like that. Maybe not. So you do have to have it. Yeah, because the NFC is probably in the middle. So it works. It's being stubborn. Any second. Yep, it was registering it. There it goes. So really cool. So thank you guys, and YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Get one now before they sell out. Alright, see ya.